Hi, my name is Val Verdier. This is Trainer of the Month Club for Well+Good. We'll start with the beginner yoga flow. Whether you're new to yoga or you just want to brush up on some basic postures, this is your class. So we'll start in child's pose, and it's actually a good posture to start with. Every time you need a break during your practice, for any reason, child's pose is your home base. So toes will be together, your knees about mat distance apart. You press on your hands to move your hips back, then you bring your upper body down onto the floor. Then as soon as everything touches the ground, you come back onto your breath. So we'll do it together. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out of your nose. A few more like that. Inhale through the nose. Out of your nose, exhale. Let your belly expand, breath in. Let your body soften, breath out. Then reach your arms towards the front. Separate your hands about shoulder distance apart. Press your hands on your ground. Inhale, come forward on a tabletop. You can move your shoulders above your wrists, look at them to be sure you're there, and then your knees underneath the hips. That's also a really nice home-based posture. It gives you stability. Once you have it, extend your legs one at a time towards the back of the room. This is your plank pose, where your belly is engaged, your legs are moving towards one another, and your head moving towards the front. So it's all about the core and the center stability. Then take a breath in, a downward facing dog. I will recommend softness on your knees, right? It's our first downward dog, so bend your knees to give your hips time. Then breath by breath, you'll start to extend your legs. Remember, in downward dog, it's not so much how far your heels can touch, it's more about spreading onto your hands to reach the side of your body back and lift the sit bones to the back of the room. All right, let's do it again. Come forward on your plank. And then stability, downward facing dog on your exhale. Good, lift the right leg up towards the ceiling, breath in. Step the foot towards the top of your mat. You can use your arm to help you out. Bring the foot forward. The back foot, bring it down onto the ground, your heel. Press on both of your feet. Inhale, lift your arms up. That's warrior one. So your right hip moves back, your left hip forward. Lift the chest up. There's a little bit of upper body back bend right there. Take another breath in. Warrior two, open your legs, your arms. Heel to heel or heel to arch. So the front foot is crossing the back foot and your shoulders are above the hips. Your arms are long, you're breathing, you're strong. You got this. Find your inhale. Stay for the exhale. And again, breath in. And breathe out. Bring your left hand on your thigh. Inhale, lift your right arm back. Move your hands down towards the floor. Our lovely plank pose. Step back. You're in plank. Take a breath in. Bend your knees. Bend your elbows. Control the body as you come down. One line to the floor. Lift the chest up. That's COBRA pose. Press on your hands and knees through the tabletop. Downward facing dog. Adjust what you need, right? Move your hands, move your hips, and stay. Breathe in. Engage the belly, breathe out. So that's it. Let's do the second side. Lift the left leg high, breath in. Step the foot towards the top of your mat. And again, you can use your hand if you need. Bring the back heel down on the floor, about hip distance apart your feet. Ground on your floor. Lift your arms up. Strength and stability in this pose. Lift your gaze, lift the belly, engage both of your legs. Take a breath in. Open up warrior two. So you have time, there's no rush. Look at your feet, set yourself up again. Bend the front knee over the ankle, and then press the entire outside of the right leg towards the back of your mat. You'll have another breath in. Maybe sit down a little bit lower. All right, right hand on your thigh, lift the left arm up. Windmill your hands down towards the floor. It's a plank pose, okay? So I'll add one little thing more for you. You can stay here, bend your knees. Maybe for a half chaturanga, bend your elbows halfway down. Upward facing dog or cobra, checking in your lower back. Make sure you can breathe comfortably, your shoulders are back, your feet are engaged. Downward facing dog. It's your breath out. Stay there. Exhale. At this point, your legs might be more warmed up and your heels might start to move towards the floor. Use that. Engage on your belly to lift out of your hands. Breath in again. Breathe it out. Bend your knees. Let's come down to the floor. You place your feet about hip distance apart, your arms towards the front, and then roll your body down towards the ground. That's your base for your bridge. Make sure you can graze the back of the heels. It's like a set point. It tells you that your knees are almost completely on top of your heels, and you want that to protect the knees and also the lower back because you're gonna lift up, okay? Once you're ready, press on your feet, big toe, pinky toe, middle of the heel. On your inhale, lift the pelvis up. This can be great. You can stay right there, press on your hands. You're in bridge, you're doing it. If you want more, roll your shoulders underneath the body, interlock your fingers. Now press your arms down on your floor, press onto your feet, lift the pelvis and lift the chest. And breathe. Breathe out. Let's say for one more. Inhale. Exhale. Start with your hands. Let them go. Then slowly roll your body down onto the floor. Then extend your legs. Savasana. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.